on the book, There's a Bird on Your Head by YOOTS. And elephant is
And we could put thoughts on chapter 2.
Brendan
Thoughts on chapter 2. You can read it.
and
In a little while after the play.
Anna is the other bird.
Yes.
There is a bird on your head.
There is a bird on my head.
Oh, not again.
Is there a bird on my head now?
No. Now there are 2 birds on your head.
What are 2 birds doing on my head?
They are in love.
The birds on my head are in love.
They are lovebirds.
Lovebirds? How do you know they're lovebirds?
Well, they're making a nest, of course.
2 birds are making a nest on my head. Why would 2 birds make a nest on my head? I'm afraid to ask. Is there an egg on my head?
1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head.
I do not want 3 eggs on my head.
Then I have good news.
The eggs are gone?
The eggs are hatching.
Hatching! The eggs on my head are hatching. Cheep, 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 cheep.
They have hatched.
Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head.
And 2 birds and a nest.
I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head.
Then where do you want them?
Somewhere else!
Why not ask them to go somewhere?
Ask them what?
Ask them.
Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else?
Me? No problem.
It worked!
Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun.
Now there are no eggs up there. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
The end. Take a bow.